In this video, we are going to research some of the keywords related to the current trending topics. So we will go to the Google Trends and pick up the trending topic. In this case, I have picked up census as the our keyword research topic. So what I will do in the next step is I will pull up the Wikipedia page and then get the link which can give me the lot of details about the census. I will copy that link and I will feed that link to the Google Keyword Planner tool. Make sure the location is set as globally and not to any specific country. And you have only selected the link to fetch the keywords. Just get rid of remaining screens from the keyword tool, which we don't need. Now here we need to filter out keyword competition to low. And then select all the keywords and then add this keyword into your plan. It will take some time for the keyword planner tool to generate the forecast for our keyword. Now here I got the forecast of my keywords and I can now sort my keyword based on the cost. So cost is the money that an advertisers are willing to pay for this particular keywords, and this is only estimates for the next month. As you can see, the cost for the US census is somewhere around $11,000, which is pretty impressive. But this is a very generic keyword and it may have a lot of competition. So what we will do is we will research for a keyword, we will look for a keyword which has around 500 to 1000 cost and it is not so common. So we will scroll down and we can see this is the 1900 census, which are some distinct keywords because they have the different years in them. So I would select some of those keywords and then instead what I will do is I will select all the keywords and only deselect, remove the selection of those keywords that I have selected. And then I will click on remove so that rest of the keywords get deleted from the keyword plan. I can still see some of the keywords are there because I think I didn't select the all the 809 keywords. So I will again deselect the keywords and I will click on remove. Now you can see I have a forecast of let's say $300 for the next month, and these keywords are not also very common, so it will be easy for us to write some blogs on them to rank the websites on the Google. Now what I will do is I will select all the keywords and then I will go to the plan overview. And here I can see if I include all these keywords into my blog or article, I can get this many of estimated clicks for next month. And there is a good trend line which forecasts that it will generate the good amount of the traffic. Now in this step, we have the keyword, but we still need to do one more thing is we need to add some sort of a long tail questions to it so that it will become more niche and more not so common. So what I mean to say is, let's say if I say 1890 cents, I can say how much is population difference between let's say 1890 census and 1990 census, just to make it more twisted and it can be worked as a long tail keyword and it will not be very generic. Now here is my complete keyword and I can write an article or blog about it. And I can generate more questions from the other keywords. So let's say 1870. I can say 1870, and you can write a blog or article based on this question.